Petalisbless here, and I'm coming on to say Happy New Year's to everyone. I hope you had a blessed Christmas, and I hope you had a blessed venturing into 2020. Yeah, now we're into 2020. And I really hope it's been going good for you. Today, I'm coming on to share with you guys a winter wonderland theme, wedding centerpiece decor, or any function that you want, you can use it on to. Any table setting that you would like to decorate really nice on a budget. Yes, because the items I'm using are from Dollar Tree, Totally Dazzled, and Walmart. Yeah, those are the three places, the items that I am using today to create our lovely winter wonderland theme. Yes. And if you're new here, welcome. I hope you click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another video to share, and you'll be joining the family. Yes, you will. I hope I inspire you with lovely DIYs, whether it's for the home, for an event, you know, every little thing. And my channel is a DIY and lifestyle channel, because I do other videos too, not just DIYs. Yeah, whatever I like to share with you guys, and I hope you guys will join the family and see what I have to offer. Yes. And to all my old subs, thank you. You know I really appreciate you guys. Yes, I do. Mwah, 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 mwah. I really do. You know, you take the time to come on every time I put out a video and see what I have to share with you guys, and I really appreciate that. Yes. Alright everyone, once again, Happy New Year, Happy 2020. Yes, and let's get into today's DIY. Alright everyone, here are the items that we're using for our DIY. Vases and stuff, candle holders from the Dollar Tree, bling wrap and stuff from Totally Dazzled, and also our crushed glass. And of course our handy glue gun. Alright everyone, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright everyone, we have our vase here and our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. Now I love the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. It's nice to use, so we're just going to take it and wrap around our vase here and measure where we want, and we're just going to use our scissors and cut the point that we need. Yep, that's all we need. See, just like that. Now why I like using this bling wrap from Totally Dazzled is because it's one big wrap and it's easier for your projects. So I'm just counting 5 strips, and then I'm cutting down, and I'm cutting down to the bottom where there is only 3 little tabs left, 5 going across, and you cut down to 3 tabs at the bottom. And now we are going to cut out every other section. And see, there's 3 at the bottom. That's what I was telling you about. And see how easy it is with the large bling wrap. So we have the vase now, and we cut out the pattern that we want to use. And we're just going to use some hot glue. Now remember, you can use any adhesive that you would like to use on your project. I'm just using some hot glue. And we're just going to glue the bottom part as I'm doing here, going all the way around first. And now that we got that done, we're going to start on the strips going up. And now that we have our strips all glued to our vase, we are going to use some Mod Podge and our crushed glass and decorate our vase. Now we're just going to sprinkle the crushed glass going all the way around. And of course you will have some pieces fall off, but that's okay. Because when you let it dry a little bit, and then you add some more Mod Podge, add some more crushed glass, and then you to your desired amount, and then that will be good. And when you're all finished, you add another coat of Mod Podge so you seal everything in. And now it's all dry. I have some bigger pieces of crushed glass, so I'm going to use some hot glue and just add those pieces onto our vase. Again, you can use any adhesive that you would like to glue down these extra pieces. It just gives it a nicer effect with the bigger glass pieces going around the vase. And now it's all dry. And you guys, I forgot to press record, but I did add some sparkles when I added the last coat of the Mod Podge to help seal it in. And now I'm adding these gems going all the way around. These gems are from Walmart. And I'm just using some hot glue at each end only because it has the sticker on it. So just the two ends I'm gluing down to make sure it doesn't move. And now comes my favorite part of this DIY. I'm going to add my gems from Totally Dazzled. You know I love these gems. I love the way they add an extra elegant touch to whatever you add them to. Yes, they do. So I'm just adding them to the vases. One on each vase, this large one here, and the other two vases, I'll be adding a little smaller one.
She's so vibey, she's so vibey. I don't know how I'm surviving. I won't lie, I'm no shy guy. I'm alive, as long as I have.
And here's our finished look.
There's no way that
I think they turned out very nice. A nice winter theme. Yes, a nice winter theme for your wedding decor or any event that you're planning to have. I just think it looks lovely. The crushed glass, the bling wrap, the gems. Oh, the gems look beautiful from Totally Dazzled. I love how it looks. And all I did was place the middle candle holder onto a candle holder stick, a silver one. That's also from the Dollar Tree. And here it is with the candles inside. Doesn't it look beautiful? A lovely candle centerpiece. Yes, it is. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It will look lovely on your white tablecloth, on your table, your event table. I think it looks absolutely beautiful, like I said before. And I think they will look absolutely beautiful with floating candles inside, or if you would like to put some flowers in the tallest vase and candles in the two other ones, that will look beautiful too. But I love them with these tall candles inside. I think it looks lovely. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of my winter Wonderland themed candle centerpiece for your event table, whether it be wedding or anything that you're keeping. And again, Happy New Year's. We're here in 2020. Let's enjoy it and make it a peaceful one. All right, everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my DIY for today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.
You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey.